Hi students, how are you? I hope that you all have been enjoying these online classes during this lockdown period. Today, we will know about the central idea of the poem On His Blindness. Dear students, the poet of this poem is supposed to be one of the finest poets of English literature, Mr. John Milton. His epic Paradise Lost is known as perhaps the best work of literature in English. The poem On His Blindness is about his personal life. Through this poem, the poet wants to share the thought that God needs not either man's works or his gifts, any types of, worships, prayers, whatever we all do this just for our own satisfaction, for our own pleasure. हम कह सकते हैं इसे हिंदी में कि ईश्वर को मनुष्य की ना तो श्रद्धा, पूजा, प्रार्थना की आवश्यकता है और ना ही हम कोई भी उपहार जो ईश्वर के लिए देना चाहते हैं, ईश्वर को उसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. The basic idea of this poem is that whatever we all have or we want to offer to God, this all basically has been given by God himself. हम जो भी ईश्वर को देना चाह रहे हैं, हम जो कुछ भी ईश्वर के लिए करना चाह रहे हैं, ये सब कुछ आखिरकार उस ईश्वर का ही दिया हुआ है. So this is the basic concept of the poem. This is the basic idea of the poem, and this is the essence of the poem, that whatever we do for God, it's just for our own self-satisfaction. God demands nothing from us. God wants nothing from us. If we do, it is good. If we don't, God doesn't want anything. All that things. Thank you very much.